This is the second video in a review series for the 8-gallon dual-purpose Pro still from Mile High Distilling. The first video was just a basic rundown of the different components, the workmanship, the quality, the durability, and a little bit about Mile High Distilling themselves. So if you want to check out that video, I'll put a card somewhere for you to link to that. But today's episode, I'm going to be going over the 4 different configurations that you can use this steel. This steel comes in a kit. All these pieces, all these components are modular, so you can do different things with them. And there's 4 different ways that I can see that you can use this steel, and I'm going to go over how to set up those 4 different configurations in this video. Configuration number 1 is the basic pot still. Vapor steam comes straight out of the milk can or the pot into an elbow, into a condenser. And let me say, with all of these configurations, you can use an electric heating element, or you can cap off this 2-inch ferrule and use propane or a heating surface, hot plate type heating element. And this could be handy for just a quick and dirty stripping run. Most people are not going to use it in this configuration, but it is an option. Configuration number 2 is the standard pot still with a column. The advantage to this is you can pack this column with copper scrubbies or stainless steel scrubbies, whatever you want to use, and this will give you a sort of passive reflux. This will give you a higher proof. It will allow more flavor to go through, but it will also purify your vapor a little bit more than just a pot still with no column. Configuration number 3 is the reflux still. And with the reflux component added, you can have a higher degree of control. You can compress your heads or your tails. You'll get a higher proof out of your still. And I think a lot of people will enjoy this particular configuration. The 4th and final configuration is when you add the sight glass. And the way I've got it set up now, the sight glass is above the reflux, and you can use this as a gym basket. You can put botanicals in here. It comes with a 2-inch screen, which also serves as a seal for the tri-clamp, so that you can hold botanicals in here. You can use whatever, really, if you wanted to put fruit or anything like that to try and move flavor through the vapor. There is no way to really, you can't treat this like a thumper to add flavor like with fruit or peppers or things like that you see people doing, because there's no way to really shoot the thumper. Most of the flavor is going to be stripped out with the heads, but you can give it a try. And then as a bonus, the other way to run the sight glass is to put it below the reflux. And if you put it below the reflux, you can see the reflux happen. You can watch it. You can fill the sight glass with marbles or whatever for an extra ability, like you would fill the column with copper, just for surface volume, to catch more of the condensation. So those are the 4 configurations for the 8-gallon dual-purpose Pro Steel kit. Everything that comes with the kit is what you can do. And since these steels are very modular, there are other things you can get from the Mile High Distilling website, like actual gym baskets, essential oil kits to distill essential oils. There's a lot you can add to this one piece at a time through the Mile High Distilling website. So it's a great steel. It's very modular, which makes it very versatile. I hope you enjoyed the video. And keep an eye out for future videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with this particular steel to show you all the things you can do with it. Thanks.